What's your recommendation?
你有什么推荐？
What's your recommendation? What's your recommendation? How do I get to the train station?
我如何去火车站？
How do I get to the train station? How do I get to the train station? I'd like to check my email.
我想要检查我的电子邮件。
I'd like to check my email. I'd like to check my email. Is it close by?
附近有吗？
Is it close by? Is it close by? Where can I get a taxi?
我在哪里可以叫到计程车？
Where can I get a taxi? Where can I get a taxi? I'd like to go shopping.
我想去购物。
I'd like to go shopping. I'd like to go shopping. Can I get a discount?
我可以打折吗？
Can I get a discount? Can I get a discount? How's the weather tomorrow?
明天天气如何？
How's the weather tomorrow? How's the weather tomorrow? Can you give me directions?
你可以给我指路吗？
Can you give me directions? Can you give me directions? I'm not feeling well.
我感觉不太好。
I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. Can you speak slower, please?
你可以说得慢一点吗？
Can you speak slower, please? Can you speak slower, please? I'd like to order a pizza.
我想要订一个披萨。
I'd like to order a pizza. I'd like to order a pizza. Do you have an English guidebook?
你有英文导览手册吗？
Do you have an English guidebook? Do you have an English guidebook? I'd like a window view, please.
我想要一间有窗景的房间。
I'd like a window view, please. I'd like a window view, please. Is this the right way to the beach?
这是去海滩的正确路径吗？
Is this the right way to the beach? Is this the right way to the beach? I need sunscreen.
我需要防晒霜。
I need sunscreen. I need sunscreen. Where's the nearest hospital?
最近的医院在哪里？
Where's the nearest hospital? Where's the nearest hospital? Can I see the wine list?
我可以看酒单吗？
Can I see the wine list? Can I see the wine list? I lost my passport.
我丢了我的护照。
I lost my passport. I lost my passport. Can you help me, please?
你可以帮我吗？
Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Where's the best place to eat here?
这里最好的吃的地方在哪里？
Where's the best place to eat here? Where's the best place to eat here? How far is the nearest gas station?
最近的加油站有多远？
How far is the nearest gas station? How far is the nearest gas station? I need a plug adapter.
我需要一个插头转接器。
I need a plug adapter. I need a plug adapter. How much time does it take to get there?
到那里需要多少时间？
How much time does it take to get there? How much time does it take to get there? Do you have any vegetarian dishes?
你们有素食菜单吗？
Do you have any vegetarian dishes? Do you have any vegetarian dishes? Is this gluten-free?
这是不含麸质的吗？
Is this gluten-free? Is this gluten-free? Can I have the check, please?
可以给我账单吗？
Can I have the check, please? Can I have the check, please? I'd like to go to the airport.
我想去机场。
I'd like to go to the airport. I'd like to go to the airport. Where can I buy a ticket?
我在哪里可以买票？
Where can I buy a ticket? Where can I buy a ticket? Are there any local festivals?
这里有任何当地的节庆吗？
Are there any local festivals? Are there any local festivals? I'd like to buy a SIM card with data.
我想购买一张有数据的 SIM 卡。
I'd like to buy a SIM card with data. I'd like to buy a SIM card with data. Can you help me with this?
你能帮我这个吗？
Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? It's urgent.
这很紧急。
It's urgent. It's urgent. Where is the tourist information center?
旅游资讯中心在哪里？
Where is the tourist information center? Where is the tourist information center? I want to send this package.
我想寄这个包裹。
I want to send this package. I want to send this package. How do I turn this on, off?
我怎么开斜线关这个？
How do I turn this on, off? How do I turn this on, off? Do you have non-smoking rooms?
你们有无烟房间吗？
Do you have non-smoking rooms? Do you have non-smoking rooms? Is breakfast served here?
这里提供早餐吗？
Is breakfast served here? Is breakfast served here? How do I call an emergency number?
我怎么拨打紧急电话号码？
How do I call an emergency number? How do I call an emergency number? Can I book a table for tonight?
我可以预定今晚的桌子吗？
Can I book a table for tonight? Can I book a table for tonight? Do you have any desserts?
你们有甜品吗？
Do you have any desserts? Do you have any desserts? Where can I rent a bike?
我在哪里可以租自行车？
Where can I rent a bike? Where can I rent a bike? Is there a swimming pool?
这里有游泳池吗？
Is there a swimming pool? Is there a swimming pool? Can I leave my bags here?
我可以将我的包留在这里吗？
Can I leave my bags here? Can I leave my bags here? What time does this place close?
这个地方几点关门？
What time does this place close? What time does this place close? What's the local dish here?
这里的当地菜是什么？
What's the local dish here? What's the local dish here? I'm allergic to peanuts.
我对花生过敏。
I'm allergic to peanuts. I'm allergic to peanuts. Can I have a map of the city?
我可以要一张城市地图吗？
Can I have a map of the city? Can I have a map of the city? What's the exchange rate today?
今天的汇率是多少？
What's the exchange rate today? What's the exchange rate today? Is there a vegetarian option?
有素食选项吗？
Is there a vegetarian option? Is there a vegetarian option?